here, and my son Cash, who apparently wants to say hi too. And today we're going to be going over what is Linktree and how it can help your business, how to use it, things of that nature. I did get a lot of messages about this question, and so I figure what better way than to just make a little brief video about it. So basically what Linktree is it is a website that allows you to have almost like close to a landing page of all of your social media links, wherever you want to guide your clients to in one area. So if you have, for example, a YouTube, a Facebook, a website, a blog, a TikTok, and you want to put all of your links into one place, for example, Instagram will only allow you to have one link with your bio. So you would use a Linktree link and stuff. So that way you have all of your links in one place. And I'm going to show you what that is and what it looks like in one place. But ultimately it helps you simplify your links. So that way you can offer them to everyone and stuff there at one time and stuff there. So yeah. Hey. All right. So let's go ahead and share my screen and get started. Let's see here. Now, you guys, if you are catching this live, do me a favor and put the number 1 in the comments. If you're catching the replay, please feel free to drop the number 2. I really appreciate it. And so does my little one. So I'm going to go ahead and click on share screen. So that way you can see my screen and we can jump right into it. Okay. So I think it's this one, you guys. Let's see. Alrighty, so I think 1 second, guys. So share screen and who's that? Let's see. All right, you guys, so you should be able to see my screen now. It automatically appears on my blog. And stuff there. So my son is my work assistant stuff there, and he is amazing. And stuff there. We have therapy letter and stuff there. My son has autism and stuff, and he's been doing so amazing at therapy. We're really excited. But now you guys should be able to see my Linktree. So this is exactly what it looks like there. So when someone comes to my Linktree, you guys, at the top right hand corner, you'll be able to see the overall link that will take them to my page. So when you scroll down, I'm actually going to trash one of my links real quick for example purposes, and I'm just going to add it right back. Okay. So when someone comes to my Linktree, you guys, if I zoom in over here, this is what they see, and this is what you're going to see on your Linktree page. Every time you add a link, it's going to appear over here on this side of the screen where I've zoomed in. Okay. So right here, you'll see my white label courses and stuff there. Also, when people want to enroll in my courses, all they have to do is scroll down and they'll be able to see that option as well. Shop my merch for people that buy my merchandise. I have like motivation shirts and things like that. And stuff there. And then we have download freebie for food trailers, and of course my credit repair business, and so on and so forth. I add links and take them away all the time. It's just about how I'm feeling, you guys. And so on here, what I'll do is, how do you add a new link, right? So let's do that first. So the way you add a new link is you simply click on add link, add new link. A screen will appear and you put the title, what you want to show up, and you put the link where you want them to go. And then it's done. Now, before I officially add the meat and potatoes here, I want to show you what the Linktree looks like when someone clicks on it. Now, right here, I have for you guys my Instagram page. Okay. Now, feel free to follow me on Instagram. I have a lot of motivational content and I work really hard on it. So right here under my bio, you'll be able to see my Linktree link. when you click on it, because remember, Instagram only allows you to have one link, you'll be able to see my Linktree page. Okay. Now, I highly suggest that you do not overwhelm your audience and have a million different links on your Linktree page. You want to put the core links that you actually want to guide people to, right? If it's not really important for you to have a link to every single link you've ever made your entire life, then don't put all of them. Put the ones that are really, really important to you, your brand, your business. Okay. So for me, today, I actually just put my blog in there earlier. As you guys saw, I deleted it. So let's go ahead and add that back on there. So I'm going to go to buyshantaeholiday.com. Okay. And so I actually just finished my blog, you guys. It took like 3 weeks and stuff there to finish, me and my team. We're really excited about it. So if you have not already seen it, feel free to check it out. The entire purpose of my brand is to try to simplify the life of busy business owners, especially female business owners, because that's who I can relate to. I'm female. But if you're a guy and you're checking this out too, please feel free to take a look. You're also welcomed. I just hope you like the color pink. Yeah. But yeah, so what I'm going to do in order to add this link to my Linktree account, I'm going to simply click up here where the website is at the top of the page. I'm going to right click on my mouse and click on copy. I'm going to click back over to my Linktree tab, and I'm going to come down here to the URL. And I'm going to click on paste. Okay. Now for the title, I'm just going to put the title of my blog and stuff there. So that's by Shantae Holiday blog. And then I'm going to click on enter, you guys. And now it's going to appear over here to the right, which you can see it just appeared, it's popped up. And now it's also going to appear when I click on that link again from Instagram. So let's click on it together. So I just clicked on that link again, and you'll see that my blog now appears. And whenever someone clicks on it, like I just did, it'll take them directly to my blog and stuff there. So I hope that this was able to help you guys. I hope that you found this beneficial and stuff there. I tried my best to keep this short, sweet, and to the point. And so if you have any questions, let me know. If you watch this live, please feel free to put a 1 down in the comments. And if you caught the replay, feel free to drop the number 2. But I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I look forward to talking to you later. Bye, guys.